Hey everybody, just a little check-in, trying to get the project started, and this om603 out of this Mercedes is going to go into that Ranger. That's what we're going to attempt to do. She's kind of long, not that fat, should work out. So we'll see what happens. This thing seems to run okay. It does have the fuel return leaks everywhere, but it seems like it runs pretty good. That should be a pretty good candidate for the swap. And I do have the adapter plate from Doomsday Diesel. I don't know. I don't think there's any real specifics on the box. It's just the adapter from Doomsday Diesel. And then everybody's telling me that this trans is too big, which it very well might be. That's ZF5 transmission out of a two-wheel drive 3/4 ton Ford truck. So if I have to, I'll just cut some floor out and make a bigger doghouse transmission tunnel. So this thing's reasonably clean. It was a California truck, and then it's been driven for a few years in Minnesota. You can tell she's got some rust starting to come in a tiny little bit. Otherwise, for being in Minnesota, it's a pretty solid truck. But I gotta get this thing shoveled off. I dug the Mercedes out of the snowbank earlier, so just a 300D, what is it, an 87 turbo diesel. So if you know anything about the om603s, I did check to see if the head gasket was blown. It seems to run pretty good, but there is some drips of oil in the overflow, so I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I'll just get it in there, get it mounted, get it working, and if I have to, I'll just swap it out for an om606 and make some crazy horsepower in the Ranger, but probably just leave it the way it is, just for a cool little truck. Ranger's pretty rough on the inside. Gonna need some interior work too. Don't look at the 78. So, alright guys, just a little heads up what's gonna be on the way. Any questions, comments? Leave them down below. Like, subscribe. Have a great day.